Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel ManiTech. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to change PIN and email address for WhatsApp two-step verification. So friends, at first you have to launch WhatsApp in your mobile phone. I have already enabled two-step verification, so I have to enter the PIN. Earlier I have set is 147258. See, WhatsApp is open, and then you have to tap on three vertical dots, that is the more option button, which is located extremely top right corner, and then you have to tap on settings button. After that you have to tap on account option. This is the account option. You just need to tap on account button. Under account button you will see two-step verifications. You have to tap on this two-step verification, and then if you wish to change the PIN, simply you just need to tap on the change PIN button, and then you have to enter a 6-digit new PIN. So this time I want to set as 1 2 3 4 5 6. So again you have to confirm your PIN 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then you have to tap on save button. See, PIN is set. So in this way you can change your PIN. Now to change the email address, simply you have to tap on the change email address, and then you have to enter your new email address, and then tap on next button. Then again you have to confirm your new email address, and then again you have to tap on save button. Applying settings. See, email address is set. So friends, in this way you can change the PIN and email address for two-step verification of WhatsApp. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel ManiTech. Thank you very much.